How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over a few of our dual memory Raptor-X color options here. So here I have a couple of our TIR color models, and here I have a couple of our multicolor linear color models. So up top, we'll start with our RaptorXTIR, and in this model, I brought an all amber color setup. Now on your dual memory Raptor-X's, you do have two flash pattern memories, so each power mode has its own flash pattern memory. So in power mode 1, I have this slow to fast half-half style flash pattern, and then in power mode 2, I have one of our Knight Rider back and forth sweeping style flash patterns there, and I can easily swap between my flash patterns by cycling to my power modes on my SIG plug here. Now below my amber color model, I brought a green clear alternating color setup. Now you'll see I have a alternating style flash pattern going there, and again that's a green clear alternating color setup. And then in power mode 2, I have the half-half style flash pattern, your standard half-half pattern there. And again, that is a green clear alternating TIR color model. And then moving over here, I brought our Raptor-X MultiColor Linear in a red clear color option here up top, and you'll see it's in its half-half style flash pattern. Now on our multicolor units, you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. And again, this is a red clear multicolor linear color setup there. And then in power mode 2, I have a different flash pattern programmed, that alternating style flash pattern but in multicolor. And you'll see your modules are actually changing color between their primary and secondary color order. And that's our Raptor-X MultiColor Linear. Now finally, on our Raptor-X MultiColor Linear with the dual memory, I brought a red-blue-amber color setup here. Now built into the flash patterns, you can run your primary or secondary colors individually as well on our multicolor linear. So here in power mode 1, I programmed a red-blue flash pattern, so you'll see it's standard red-blue, half-half there. And you do have 4 patterns in your primary and secondary colors. And again, this is a red-blue-amber color unit, so my primary color is red-blue. And then in power mode 2, I went ahead and programmed an amber color flash pattern. So you'll see your unit can flash all amber, or you can easily go back and flash red-blue if you would like to. Or if you would like to run your unit in multicolor, you can simply cycle to your multicolor flash patterns. So let me go ahead and do that here. So after my primary and secondary color flash patterns, I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns. So if I click that, you'll see that I'm easily back into my multicolor flash patterns. And then if I want to just go ahead and run back to just only red-blue, I can easily do that by switching to my other power mode on my optional SIG plug. So with the dual memory and your multicolor linear, you do have that added functionality of easily being able to swap between your primary and secondary colors with your 2 power modes there. So you'll see with our TIR models and our multicolor linear, we do have any color combination available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, alternating, in TIR and multicolor linear. And then if you also need a custom color setup, you can use our customization tool on the product pages if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So make sure to check out our product demos, our flash pattern videos, and also our interactive players on the product pages to know exactly what you're getting before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.